Hi everyone, today we will learn about share premium. For example, this ABC Cern Durian Berhad. This company, the issued capital is 100,000, belongs to shareholder H 50,000, shareholder D 50,000. So during the Old Companies Act, the company want to allot a new shares with premium shares to shareholder Y with 25,000, 25% from the 25% from the paid up capital. So Y will pay RM 3 ringgit, 1 ringgit to the share cap, 2 ringgit is to the share premium. So once they allot the share premium, the paid up the number of shares of the company will become 125,000. See, from the 100,000 become 125,000 because additional 25,000 to the shareholders Y, and paid up capital is 175k, 175,000, because it's included the share premium 50,000. This one, the 2 ringgit that shareholder Y paid for the share premium means this 25,000, 25k times RM 2 ringgit, 2 ringgit, and then plus with the 100 share, 125 share, 125k. So you can get this amount equals to 175k. Then the number of shares is remain 125k, RM 1 ringgit, 25k times with 1 ringgit plus with 100k, so equals 125k. Okay, then now under the Companies Act, there is no more share premium. There is no more share premium. So the share premium will take out the share premium, and then so the company will have 125k paid up, and number of shares is 125k. So what should they do? What should we do with the share premium 50,000? There is a two scenario that we can do here. First scenario is we issue a bonus issue. We do a bonus issue. So for example here, the number of shares is 100,000, paid up is 100,000, share premium is 50,000, so total is 125,000 of the number of share 100,000. Is it correct? Number of share 100,000. No lah. Number of shares is 125,000. 125,000. And then paid up capital is 125,000. So the share premium is 50,000. So if they do the bonus issue, they will issue a new shares 50,000 from the share premium and 1 ringgit, and then paid up capital is will become 150,000, because the number 2 and the number 5 no lah, this one 175 lah, 175. So the paid up capital will become 175,000, because the number 2 you will add on with the number 5, this one 50,000. so become 175,000. So paid up capital, if you have do the bonus issue, the paid up capital will equal with the number if issued of shares. So so that's mean the issued number of shares, will be issued number of shares also become is 175k. So paid up and issued shares is equal 175,000 if the company do the bonus issue. But most of the company, they will do nothing. They will do nothing under the section 618. Most of the company, they will apply for the 618, section 618. So it's like scenario 2. So the number of shares of 125,000. Sorry, I need to correct this first. 125,000. Paid up is 175. Paid up is 175,000. Number of shares is 125,000. Okay, right. Okay, number of shares is 125,000. Paid up is 125,000. Share premium is 50,000. So if the company do nothing under the section 618, normally we will submit the section 618, the form section 618 to ROC. Then once we submit the form, the 50,000 share premium is merged into the paid up capital. Okay, so 125,000 plus with the share premium, it will become 175,000 loh. But the number of shares is remain 125,000. Paid up. No, paid up. Yeah. Number of shares 125,000. Number of shares will remain 125,000. So here you can see here. So the paid up in the paid up is not equal. Paid up is in RM not equal as of issued shares. So the issued shares will become 125,000 and the paid up will become 175,000, right? So it's still the same like here, like the previous one. Okay, then have you come across when you updating the annual return on this part? See on this part. So what you should do to update the annual return, this one is I think it's a section B, particular of shareholding structure. So number of shares subject to payment wholly in cash. So you should put here the amount of the amount of the issued capital. This one 125,000. Put here 125,000. Total number of shares issued is 125,000. So then when you update it, you should check if the company have submitted the submitted the section 618. Okay, so you can see here from here how much is the share premium of the company. This is just a sample. So the share premium of the company is 50,000, right? So it will become the share premium is 50,000. So when you update your annual return, here is the amount of your issued capital, this one, number of shares. The issued capital 125,000 here. So on the second page, I don't know, what's this page? Here, details of amount of shares capital. Total amount of shares issued as fully paid. So you should put the paid up capital of the company. Okay. Here is the issued capital. Here is the paid up capital of the company, including the premium shares lah. That's why maybe when you come across on this, you will feel you will think how the amount not what equal, not the same, right? So that's the reason why you check when you prepare the annual return. When you see the previous annual return, there is a difference between the issued capital and the paid up capital. So first of all, you check the section 618 if the company have submitted the section 618. Then you know how to update. You update the issued capital, then here the amount of paid up capital, which is this one, the paid up capital you plus with the share premium. That is the paid up capital of the company. So total amount of shares issued as fully paid, the fully paid of the company, you should update here. Okay, so I repeat. Now the issued capital you update on here. Number of shares subject to payment wholly in cash. Okay, total number of shares issued is 125,000 for ABC company. Then here you put the paid up capital 175,000, which is the issued capital plus the share premium amount. So that's the total 175,000. So you should update here, reflect here. Okay, I hope this will help you clarify all those clarify the share regarding the share premium. Okay, so if anything that you have a question for this share premium, you can email me to here. My email is here, this one, khadijahconcept@gmail.com. So for any question regarding the premium shares, you can send me an email. All right, thank you, have a nice day.